Distance is the linear extent or the amount of space between two things from one another. Commonly expressed in unit nautical miles in navigation. Speed, it is the rate of motion or progress of an object. Express in unit knot. Knot, in navigation, is a measure of speed at sea, which is 1 nautical mile per hour. Time is the indefinite continuous progress of existence, in events in the past, present, and future, regarded as a whole. A point of time as measured, midnight or noon. Express in hours and minutes. The formula for solving distance. Distance is equal to speed multiplied by time. The formula for solving speed. Speed is equal to distance divided by time. The formula for solving time. Time is equal to distance divided by speed. A ship, at latitude 22 degrees and 30 minutes south, longitude 58 degrees and 30 minutes east, has a speed of 20 knots. Left her position at 4 hours and 48 minutes dated December 24th. Arrived at latitude 22 degrees and 30 minutes south, longitude 120 degrees and 30 minutes east. Calculate her distance run and her time when she arrived at her destination. Solution. Solve for difference of longitude. Longitude 1 is equal to 58 degrees and 30 minutes east. Subtracted by longitude 2 is equal to 120 degrees and 30 minutes east. The result. Difference of longitude is equal to 62 degrees and 0 minute east. Multiply it by 60 and it will become 3,720 nautical miles east. Parallel sailing. Solve for departure and distance. Departure is equal to difference of longitude multiplied by cosine latitude. Distribute the value. Departure is equal to 3,720 nautical miles east multiplied by cosine 22 degrees and 30 minutes south. The result. Departure is equal to 3,436.8 nautical miles southeast. Distance is equal to 3,436.8 nautical miles. Note. In parallel sailing, it has so happened that the value of departure and distance are equal. But departure has a direction, while distance has none. Solve for arrival time. Time is equal to distance divided by speed. Distribute the value. Time is equal to 3,436.8 nautical miles divided by 20 nautical miles per hour. The result is equal to 171.84 hours divided by 24 hours per day. Time is equal to 8.59 days or 8 days and 14 hours and 9 minutes. Time of departure is equal to 4 hours 48 minutes, dated December 24th. Added by time, which is equal to 14 hours 9 minutes, plus 8 days. The result is the time of arrival, which is equal to 18 hours and 57 minutes. Dated December 32. December is up to 31 days only. So the month will become January 1st. Time of arrival is equal to 18 hours and 57 minutes, dated January 1st. Let us pretend that we do not know the distance. The formula for solving distance is: distance is equal to speed multiplied by time. Distribute the value. Distance is equal to 20 knots multiplied by 171.84 hours. The result is distance is equal to 3,436.8 nautical miles. Let us pretend that we do not know the speed. The formula for solving speed is: speed is equal to distance divided by time. Distribute the value speed is equal to 3,436.8 nautical miles divided by 171.84 hours. The result, speed is equal to 20 nautical miles per hour, or speed is equal to 20 knots. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and click the notification bell, for you will be updated for our next upcoming video.